Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change the font size in the Signal app. Whether you want to make the text larger or smaller, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Open the Signal app on your phone. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Now go to Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Appearance. Scroll down and find the option that says Message Font Size. Tap on it and you'll see options like small, normal, large, and extra large. Choose the one that fits your preference, and that's it. The font size in your Signal chats will change immediately. That's it. Now you know how to change the font size in the Signal app across different devices. It's a quick and simple process, and it can really help make your chats more comfortable to read. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.